If you're experiencing FPS drops in GTA 5, follow these steps to optimize your game performance. This guide will help you adjust settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Go to the settings menu, select graphics, and reduce options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Updated drivers can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing GTA 5 to run more smoothly without interruptions. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. Step 5. Optimize system settings. Adjust your system settings for better performance. Set your power plant to high performance, disable unnecessary startup programs, and ensure your system is free of malware. These changes can help your computer run more efficiently while gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing GTA 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.